What's up, fam? Good morning. We woke up early today. Actually, last night lang namin na pagdesisyonan ni George that we will go on a ride. Initial plan is we go to Suphanburi. There is a skywalk they are building there. But I think the skywalk itself is not yet available. But then, pwede na siyang puntahan. Marami na daw nakapunta doon. We're here at the PTT station. Si George nandun na. Ayun, si George nagpagas lang. And that's our bike. Checking. Tama. Let's go. Sheesh. Traffic around Bangkok.
Usahaw ka na ba? Sala. Nami ako sa nga mo ng helmet, kaya bang butang ko ng kamera, oh? Yan, nakanin sa bulong driver ko. Tapos makita ko kung ga-record or wala. Ang sinigot ang helmet mo, hindi mo butang yun. Kaya ang lens, kung isaka mo blang mo na, may go. Bugat naman sa tubang.
Tingin. Wow, ganda. Tingin ulit. Hi guys, sayang we were way past the signage. Sayang, maganda pa naman sana magpa-picture doon. Dito kasi sa Thailand, the usual tour groups or motorcycle groups, when you see the post on Facebook, they stop by the sign when they enter the town or city. It's a proof that nandun sila, and then parang katulad sa Philippine Loop, yung mga naglulup, di ba, nagpapapicture sila sa mga arc to show na nandun sila and to give an update dun sa mga page nila kung mga vloggers man yun. But man, this is the longest straight road I have been into. Ubos yung top speed ko, straight pa rin yung daan, tuloy-tuloy. Sheesh! We're almost there. Oh yeah, we're here. We have arrived.
skywalk sa Panbury. Katabi niya is malaking Buddha. Medyo pangit yung way dito papunta guys. Walang view. Pero ito na yung kumbaga highlights. Ito na yung highlights. Ayan o. Pakita ko sa inyo. That's the so-called glass walking bridge. Ayan o. As of now, too bad. Closed. Kasi dito sa Thailand guys, if you haven't heard about it, last time nagkaroon ng lindol, and we all thought that Thailand or Bangkok was not earthquake ready. Actually, building code is one of the strictest or tedious process that they do bago itayo ang mga construction or like mga establishment, just like this one. Last time they have like a soft trial run, like a soft opening thing, na sinubukan nila yung integrity ng ginawa nilang glass bridges. As of now, it is closed again due to some additional studies and for safety measures as well. So sa ngayon, dito na muna tayo gala-gala sa Big Ancient Buddha. Kasama natin si George, yan o. Si Mang George with his Zontes 300. Grabe yung mga Thai guys, mga ganitong lugar. Biruin mo yan, batong-bato na yan, ginawan pa ng Buddha. Ayan o. Nice job, Thailand.
Những cái phụ nữ tài cảเพื่อนำสารลีนี้ก็ท่ามาประดิษฐานในเจดีย์ด้วยแต่ทุกคนนี่นะครับ
Fam, sa likod ng malaking budang yan is meron dong cave sa likod. Hindi ko alam kung temple yan, kaya papasukin natin. Grabe guys, ang haba ng glass bridge. Puruin mo yun, from here aakyat ka, walang elevator yan. From yan aakyat ka doon, walang elevator yan. Tapos from dito babagtasin mo yung bangin hanggang doon sa may stopover na yan, hanggang doon sa may di kita hanggang doon grabe ang view niyan. And then, sa baba nun, meron parang park or activity area. Yun o. Yan. Grabe ang glass bridge Mali pala guys, may elevator pala. Yan o. So, from dyan, hanggang doon. Yun. Tapos, ito yung activity area dito.
Time to eat guys. Akala nila artista si George Naks at lumingon pa.
location, fam, is called the Dragon Descendants. Parang inchik na parang Chinese stuff. Tapos parang may dragon. Ayan ah. Ayan. Tapos yung malaking dragon nasa likod. Oh. Pansin nyo ba? Yan na. Yan. So parang Chinatown. Chinatown. Malaking dragon. Siya. Water wheels. Fields. Chinatown Fields. Ko alam kung Taiwan o China o Thailand. Oh, a taste of China. Ooh, dragon. Napakalaki guys. Napakalaki na at napakalawak. Chinese temple. Temple. Oh, grabe. Napakalaking gong.
Tawag ng tanggalan.
Alright, here we are. Pero ba't ganon? Ba't walang pink? Ba't walang cherry blossom? Guys, if you didn't know, this is the Kasetsart University. This university is kind of special because all those trees na nakikita nyo that we're passing by are cherry blossoms. There's a time here in Thailand during summer that these trees are blooming in pink, cherry blossom pink. But sad to say, this time, wala. Well, friends, that concludes our Suphanburi trip. If you're enjoying so far, please hit like and subscribe. And again, feel the vibe every ride. This is CJ. Till next time.